You might have experienced why your Google Ads are not performing well. You are spending all of your budgets and it's just burning out. Today I will just tell you the 10 most common mistakes that every new Google Ad newbies used to make it, and this is what that they become very smart, but it does not work at all. Before running any Google Ad campaign, you should have a marketing strategy that what type of Google Ad you are just going to run. Google gives you a bundle of targeting objectives. What type of objectives do you have to run your Google Ads right now? So you should know what type of Google Ads objective you want to achieve from your Google Ads, and this will define what type of Google Ad campaign you are going to make, what type of keywords you will make, what type of ad copies you will compose, and what type of keywords as well as the landing pages to optimize them to run a good Google Ad campaign and have a good conversions. So my name is Sarmad and I am a Google Ads expert experiencing in Google Ads, campaigns management, optimization, scaling and running a bundle of Google Ad campaigns for e-commerce, for construction and service-based businesses. The first mistake that most of the Google Ad newbies used to make is targeting everyone. This is the huge mistake that you are just going for do it. Why? Because if you are targeting everyone, it does not mean that whom you are targeting. Because your ad copies defines for what type of audience you are making your ad and what is your goal that you want to achieve. So whenever you just go for your ad campaigns, you should know first what type of Google Ad campaign you have, what is your objective, and then you have to target the people that you want to target by geography, by keywords, by behaviors, by the demographics and age you want to target the people. The second most common mistake that the newbies make is the broad match keywords. Broad match keyword is gonna burn up all of your Google Ads budget because this will just give you irrelevant traffic, poor CTR, waste of budget, and you don't know who is going to be your conversion audience. You can't make your audience. You can't go for segmentation of your audience. So whenever you are just targeting, go for the phrase match or exact match keyword so that you know what type of keywords you are just targeting. You can just control on your budget that you are spending on these keywords. The third most common mistake that people is ignoring the negative keywords. This is the most important, that you should add the negative keywords because sometimes Google has these bugs or just tries to give you more traffic but it just burns out to you everything. Like negative keywords is the most important keywords that are just irrelevant to your keywords. Just go to your search queries. If there are some keywords that you don't want them, just add them to the negative keywords and have the negative keywords so that you don't spend your dollars on these keywords next time. The fourth mistake is that when you have everything superb but low quality landing pages. Google is quite loyal to their customers putting queries on the Google search engine. So you must have a good Google landing page to improve your Google ad rank. This is the most important thing that I will be discussing in the next video as well, because Google ad rank quality should be improved if you want to get better results, better conversions, less CPA and high CTR as well. The fifth mistake that people used to make is they avoid conversion tracking. Believe me that only experts used to have these conversion trackings on your website or your Shopify store. You should have the conversion tracking so that you know what type of people landing on your page and what they are just clicking and what not they are clicking. That you know the landing page user interface, that where your audience are coming, what's the bounce rate, where they are just clicking and not clicking on your landing page, and know the experience of your audience who are coming on your landing page. Other mistakes that people just avoid are like testing different ad campaigns. This is very important for you. You should know what type of ad copies will work for you. You should know what type of audience you are just going to target. Keyword segmentation is the most important thing, that you should know what type of keywords that you are just targeting. Are these the transactional keywords, informational keywords, or just economical or just traffic landing keywords, or what type of objective you have, and that will just relevant to your ad campaigns and your targeted keywords that you are just targeting. Whenever next time when you are just going for creating a Google ad campaign, you should know what type of keywords and the landing page, they should be relevant to each other so that you have a good results next time. And last but not the least, do not go for the optimization. Too much optimization is not good for your landing copies and land pages because this becomes very spammy and Google seriously don't like it. So don't go for the Google Ads recommendations optimizations. Just do your own. You can just help of AI. Don't go for the suggested optimization recommendations. I would not really suggest it at all, but even a good digital marketer or Google Ad experts will know what's the significance and how you can just craft your campaign by your own. So this video will help you in crafting your new Google Ad campaigns. And if you have some queries, you can just ping me up on my email or having the schedule a consultation as well. Or we can have a 30 minutes free discovery call over it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. If you have any questions, just ping in the comment section.